Welcome to How and Why. Today, we are asking a question that every tired student, busy professional, and exhausted parent has secretly wondered. What if we could stop sleeping? Or at least sleep much less? Is this even scientifically possible? The answer might surprise you more than a strong cup of coffee. Let us start with a mind-blowing fact. In 2019, scientists at the University of California discovered something extraordinary. They found a rare genetic mutation known as the short sleep gene. People with this gene naturally need only 4 to 6 hours of sleep per night. And here is the real kicker. They wake up feeling perfectly rested, and they live completely normal, healthy lives. This is not about pushing through tiredness. Their brains and bodies are simply wired differently. It is like they have a superpower the rest of us do not. But humans are not the only ones with unusual sleep patterns. Consider the dolphin. It sleeps with only one half of its brain at a time, a state called unihemispheric sleep. This allows it to stay alert for predators and surface for air. Or the alpine swift, a bird that can fly non-stop for months, sleeping in short bursts while gliding. Nature shows us that sleep is not one size fits all. It is a flexible, adaptable biological process. Now, before you decide to pull an all-nighter, let us be clear. For the vast majority of us without that special gene, sleep deprivation has serious, measurable consequences. Scientists at a sleep laboratory can show you exactly what happens. After just 24 hours without sleep, your brain's prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and self-control, begins to falter. It is like the CEO of your brain is going on strike. Your reaction time slows down, comparable to being legally drunk. Your body starts to crave high-calorie, sugary foods as it desperately searches for quick energy. Your immune system weakens, making you more vulnerable to getting sick. Go 48 hours, and you might start experiencing microsleeps. These are brief, uncontrollable episodes where your brain shuts down for a few seconds, even while your eyes are open. Your emotional regulation collapses. You might cry or laugh for no apparent reason. This is not a sustainable way to live. So, if we cannot eliminate sleep, can we optimize it? The answer is a definitive yes. This is where the concept of sleep efficiency comes in. It is not about the quantity of hours in bed, but the quality of sleep you get during those hours. One radical method explored by some is polyphasic sleep. Instead of one long 8-hour block, you break your sleep into multiple shorter naps throughout the day. Famous historical figures like Leonardo da Vinci and Nikola Tesla allegedly used versions of this. The most extreme form, the Uberman schedule, involves 6 20-minute naps every 4 hours, totaling just 2 hours of sleep per day. However, most sleep scientists warn this is incredibly difficult to maintain and can be harmful. A more practical and scientifically backed approach is focusing on sleep hygiene. This means creating the perfect environment for deep, restorative sleep. It involves strict consistency in your sleep schedule, even on weekends. It means keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. And crucially, it involves avoiding the blue light from phones and computers for at least an hour before bed, as this light tricks your brain into thinking it is still daytime. Where is sleep science heading? Researchers are now developing technologies to enhance sleep quality dramatically. Imagine a device that uses gentle sound waves to synchronize with your brain waves, guiding you into the deepest, most restorative stages of sleep more quickly. Other scientists are experimenting with targeted memory reactivation during sleep, playing specific sounds that help solidify what you learned that day. The ultimate goal is not to eliminate sleep, but to master it, to make every minute in bed count, so we can wake up truly refreshed, with sharper minds and healthier bodies. Sleep is not lost time. It is an active, essential state where your brain cleanses itself, your memories are solidified, and your body repairs itself.
So, while you probably will not be joining the 4-hour sleep club anytime soon, you can hack your own sleep for better efficiency. Start with one simple change tonight. Perhaps put your phone away an hour earlier. Your brain will thank you tomorrow. What is your biggest sleep challenge? And would you try a polyphasic schedule if you could? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this dive into the science of rest, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into how and why our world works. See you in the next video.